Okay, dear students, today we study about ammonia gas. And in today's class, I revise this ammonia gas, and I use both languages, Nepali and English, both for your simplicity and easy understanding. I use Nepali also, and so that you understand the concept well in both languages. Ammonia gas is a compound gas like carbon dioxide, and ammonia gas is formed by one nitrogen atom and three hydrogen atoms. So its molecular formula is NH3. म स्क्रिन शेयर गर्दैछु. Okay. Now, the molecular formula of ammonia gas is NH3. NH3. Its molecular weight is 17 AMU, and I think you have already known about the concept of molecular weight, as molecular weight is the sum of atomic weights of the atoms present in a molecule. That is called a molecular weight. So this is 17 AMU for ammonia. Its one molecule consists of one nitrogen atom and three hydrogen atoms. Occurrence means finding. हामी यसलाई कहाँबाट प्राप्त गर्न सक्छौं? एमोनिया ग्यास हामी कुन कुन ठाउँमा पाउँछौं? त्यसलाई हामीले अकरेन्समा पढ्छौं. इन फ्री स्टेट दुईटा स्टेटमा पाइन्छ. एउटा फ्री स्टेटमा प्योर एमोनिया, अर्को कम्बाइन्ड स्टेटमा एमोनियम साल्ट्सहरुमा पाइन्छ. इन फ्री स्टेट it is found very less amount in atmosphere, and in combined state it is found in ammonium salts like ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate, ammonium nitrite, and other ammonium salts को रूपमा यो पाइन्छ एमोनिया ग्यास. Now कार्बन डाइअक्साइड मा जस्तै यसमा पनि हामीले मेथड्स अफ प्रिपरेसनहरु स्टडी गर्छौं. There are three different methods of preparation. One is the general method of preparation, other is laboratory method of preparation, and other is manufacture. Manufacture means industrial method of preparation. First we go in general method of preparation. हामी अब general method of preparation मा हेर्दै छौं एमोनिया ग्यासको. एमोनिया ग्यासलाई जनरली कसरी प्रिपेयर गर्न सकिन्छ? यो एक्जाममा पनि सोधिराखेको हुन्छ. How can we prepare ammonia gas भनेर. If laboratory मा भनेर सोध्यो भने laboratory method of preparation गर्नुपर्छ. Industrial scale मा or manufacture भन्यो भने manufacturing Haber's process मा जानुपर्छ. Otherwise generally how can we prepare ammonia gas भनेर क्वेशन सोध्यो भने चाहिँ यो general method of preparation मा गइन्छ. यहाँ हेर्नुस्. First, ammonia gas is prepared by heating ammonium salts. Ammonium salts लाई single अरुसँग combine नगरिकन heat गर्यो भने that ammonium salt decomposes into ammonia, water, and carbon dioxide gas. Okay, in this way ammonia gas is prepared. Kasari? By heating ammonium salt. Ammonia gas is prepared by heating ammonium salt. For example, ammonium carbonate NH4 whole twice CO3 gives ammonia NH3 plus H2O plus CO2. Similarly, ammonium sulfate NH4 whole twice SO4, on heating it gives ammonia plus sulfuric acid H2SO4 sulfuric acid produced. In this way we can produce or prepare ammonia gas. Second method is by heating ammonium salt with a strong base. We can prepare ammonia gas by heating ammonium salt with a strong base. This method is utilized in the laboratory method also. And here is also we study this method. यसलाई हामीले ammonium salts लाई strong base सँग react गराउँदाखेरि in the presence of heat ammonia gas is produced. Look at here in this reaction, ammonium salt ammonium sulfate, NH4 whole twice SO4 plus base is KOH, potassium hydroxide. On heating, the product is that potassium sulfate, K2SO4 plus water plus ammonia gas. In this way, we can prepare ammonia gas. Next method is laboratory method of preparation. अर्को मेथड छ हामीले ammonia gas लाई prepare गर्ने laboratory method. This is very important. In laboratory method, the principle or theory is the main reaction of the laboratory method of preparation. For example, theory मा हामीले के जस्तै theory मा हामीले के कुरा ध्यान दिनुपर्छ भने कुन केमिकल्सहरुलाई ट्रिट गर्दाखेरि एमोनिया ग्यास प्रोड्युस हुन्छ भन्ने कुरा थाहा पाउनु पर्छ. त्यो कुरालाई हामीले थ्योरीमा मेन्सन गर्छौं, प्रिन्सिपलमा मेन्सन गर्छौं. Okay, in case of ammonia, when the mixture of dry ammonium chloride means NH4Cl, and calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice in the ratio of 2:1, means 2 part of ammonium chloride and 1 part of calcium hydroxide. In the dry form, they mix together, and if they are heated, on heating, ammonia gas is produced. This is the principle. And the chemical reaction is NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, plus calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice, on heating gives CaCl2, calcium chloride, plus water plus ammonia gas. In this way, we can prepare ammonia gas in laboratory. So to prepare in lab, we need some apparatus, tools. Okay, what apparatus are required for the lab preparation of ammonia gas? Okay, Anu, can you tell us the apparatus required for the preparation of ammonia gas in laboratory?
Hard glass test tube, delivery tube, gas jar, stand clamp, burner, and lime tower.
Good. These are the apparatus, tools required, okay, to prepare ammonia gas in laboratory. Hard glass test tube, the test tube that is made from the hard glass, okay, and delivery tube. Other is gas jar to collect the gas, stand to hold the gas jar, and hard glass test tube. Okay, stands are utilized, and burner and lime tower, especially used here. Lime tower, you need to remember this. Lime tower is also used. And next is chemicals required. What chemicals are required? These chemicals are required for the preparation of ammonia gas in lab. These are ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, and calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice. Okay, these are the two chemicals. I can ask you in the middle of class, okay, randomly, I can select any one of these students to answer the questions. Okay, Riwaj, can you tell me what chemicals are required in the lab preparation of ammonia gas?
Ammonium chloride, calcium hydroxide.
Very good, very good. Remember that, okay? Ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide. And you need to remember that reaction also, okay? Reaction of that principle. And next is procedure. How can we prepare? Procedure, okay? How can we prepare? For that, we should learn this diagram. Okay, look at there in the diagram. The hard glass test tube is made slanted downward towards the mouth. Hard glass test tube को मुखतिर अलिकति स्लोप बनाएर राखिएको छ र hard glass test tube मा हिटिङ गरिएको छ र hard glass test tube बाट delivery tube is passed to the lime tower. Lime tower मा एउटा ट्युब पठाइएको छ, that is called delivery tube. And in lime tower, calcium oxide is contained there. It is the tower containing the lime. Lime is calcium oxide. And another tube is passed from the lime tower to the gas jar. Okay, and this apparatus must be fitted as shown in the figure. The apparatus must be fitted as shown in the figure. And on heating, the hard glass test tube containing the mixture of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide Two chemicals are placed inside the hard glass test tube, and when these mixture, the mixture of calcium chloride and calcium hydroxide, this is heated. When heated, the reaction occurs and ammonia gas is produced. Look at here in the reaction, what is in the product? In the product, calcium chloride is produced, water is produced, and ammonia gas is produced. Water on heating, water is produced in the form of vapor. यो कुरा बुझ्नुस् है, प्रोडक्टमा निस्केको छ, वाटर पनि निस्केको छ, एमोनिया पनि निस्केको छ है। तर यो वाटर चाहिँ भ्यापरको फर्ममा हुन्छ, भ्यापरमा हुन्छ। सो एमोनिया र वाटर कम्बाइनली दुईटै ग्यासेस स्टेटमा भएको हुनाले the mixture of ammonia gas and water vapor both pass through the delivery tube. अब delivery tube बाट पास हुने भनेको एमोनिया ग्यास मात्रै होइन रहेछ, त्यसमा वाटर भ्यापर पनि आउँदो रहेछ। यो कुरा निकै महत्त्वपूर्ण छ, तपाईहरुले बुझ्नुपर्छ। अब मैले सोध्छु कसैलाई, यो हार्ड ग्लास टेस्ट ट्युब बाट बाहिर निस्केको डेलिभरी ट्युबमा श्रिया राणा, which chemicals are passed through delivery tube?
Water vapor and ammonia gas.
Very good. Water vapor पनि सँगसँगै आएको छ है, बुझ्नुस्। र अर्को एउटा तपाईहरुले पढिसकेको हुनाले म भन्दिहालौं यहाँ, ammonia gas is highly soluble in water, means ammonia gas dissolves in water and form ammonium hydroxide. तपाईहरुले तलपट्टि यहाँ प्रपर्टिजमा हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, केमिकल प्रपर्टिजमा फर्स्टमै छ कि ammonia NH3+H2O gives NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. This is base. Ammonia वाटरमा डिजल्भ हुन्छ र ammonium hydroxide बनाउँछ भन्ने कुरा पनि तपाईले अहिले सम्झिराख्नुस्, अहिले यहाँ काम लाग्छ। ओके, अब यो डेलिभरी ट्युबबाट सँगसँगै पास भएर आयो लाइम टावरमा वाटर भ्यापर एन्ड ammonia gas. Water vapor on passing through the delivery tube, it becomes water, liquid water. Okay, water vapor condenses into drops, water drops. अब त्यो भ्यापर चिसो भएपछि अन्जनी के हुन्छ? वाटर ड्रप हुन्छ, हो कि होइन? हो भन्नुस्?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So अब त्यो वाटर जब लिक्विड हुन्छ नि, then liquid water reacts with ammonia सँग रियाक्सन हुन्छ। यो ल्याबोरेटरी प्रिपरेसन मा सबभन्दा खतरनाक हो, किनकि we need to obtain ammonia gas, तर यसरी प्राप्त गर्ने ammonia gas बाटोमै वाटर सँग रियाक्सन भएर ammonium hydroxide बन्यो भने त we cannot prepare, we cannot obtain dry ammonia. So अब हामीले एउटा बुद्धि लगाउनु पर्छ, त्यो बाटोमा लिक्विड स्टेटमा कन्भर्ट हुने वाटर भ्यापरलाई एब्जर्ब गर्ने केमिकल सब्स्टेन्सलाई हामीले त्यहाँ राख्नु पर्छ है। सो दैट केमिकल व्हिच एब्जर्ब्स लिक्विड वाटर इज लाइम। ओके, दैट लाइम एब्जर्ब्स लिक्विड liquid water. When ammonia gas reacts with liquid water, it forms ammonium hydroxide. Because of that reason, lime tower is used to absorb moisture, means water. Moisture भनेको water हो, त्यो वाटर कन्टेन्टलाई एब्जर्ब गर्नको लागि चाहिँ लाइम टावर प्रयोग गरिन्छ है लाइम टावर इज युज्ड टु एब्जर्ब मोइस्चर अब त्यो प्रोडक्टमा वाटर एन्ड एमोनिया थियो वाटर इज एब्जर्ब बाइ द लाइम वाटरलाई लाइमले एब्जर्ब गरिसके पछाडी सिद्धार्थ can you tell us which chemical is now passed through lime tower lime tower बाट अब माथि के पास हुन्छ ammonia gas only okay अब वाटर कहाँ अड्क्यो त यही लाइम क्याल्सियम अक्साइड सँग रिएक्सन भयो when calcium oxide reacts with water it forms calcium hydroxide because of that reason lime tower is यो सोध्छ क्वेशन के भने सोध्छ भने lime tower is used in the preparation of ammonia gas why this is the question the simple answer is to absorb moisture to absorb water water is also produced in the product of lab preparation of ammonia gas to absorb that water that lime tower is used okay and we can after that we can obtain dry ammonia so in this way we can obtain ammonia gas and ammonia gas is lighter than air hawa bhanda light cha halungo cha so it is collected in the gas jar by downward displacement of air by downward displacement of air अब तपाईले कार्बन डाइअक्साइड लाई सम्झिनुस् कार्बन डाइअक्साइड के थियो heavier than air so carbon dioxide is collected by upward displacement of air tara ammonia is lighter than air so it is collected by downward displacement of air यो ग्यास जारमा भएको हावालाई तलतिर डिस्प्लेस गरेर माथिपट्टि गएर एमोनिया ग्यास बन्छ भनेको हो त्यो किन माथि गएर बस्छ हावा भन्दा माथि किन हुन्छ एमोनिया because ammonia is lighter than air यो बुझ्नु पर्ने कन्सेप्ट हो so next is oh okay next is precaution हामी के सावधानी अपनाउनु पर्छ apparatus must be made airtight to prevent the leakage of gas the mouth of hard glass test tube must be inclined downward to prevent cracking look at here this mouth of hard glass test tube is inclined downward to prevent cracking by passing by returning back of water drops त्यो water drops हरु डेलिभरी ट्युब बाट फर्केर हार्ड ग्लास टेस्ट ट्युबमा नआओस् भनेर इन्क्लाइन डाउनवर्ड इट्स माउथ इज इन्क्लाइन डाउनवर्ड गरिन्छ है बिकज हार्ड ग्लास एकदम तातो हुन्छ त्यसमा वाटर प्याक भयो भने क्रैकिङ हुन्छ सो next precaution is the heat must be provided uniformly and the product must be passed through the lime tower to absorb the moisture these are the precautions next is test whether the gas collected in the gas jar is the ammonia or not okay to recognize this we need to perform some tests there are various methods of testing that ammonia gas also so in first method we test that ammonia gas by using the litmus paper okay litmus paper is made wet first पहिला litmus paper लाई भिजाउने then that भिजेको litmus paper contains के गर्छ त water and that litmus paper wet litmus paper is introduced in the jar containing gas ammonia gas भएको जारमा introduce गर्ने then it turns into blue अब यो blue color मा जान्छ why यो interesting छ तपाईले यहाँ हेर्नुस् अघिको रिएक्सन म तपाईलाई देखाइदिन्छु कि ammonia gas is here water is here when ammonia reacts with water it forms ammonium hydroxide means base अब हेर्नुस् है लिटमस पेपरमा वाटर कन्टेन गरेपछि त्यसलाई हामीले एमोनिया ग्यासमा इन्सर्ट गरेपछि पहिला के गर्छ एमोनिया ग्यास रिएक्ट्स विथ वाटर एन्ड फर्म्स दैट एमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बेस then that litmus paper turns into blue with base यो बेस को कारणले गर्दाखेरि litmus paper turns into blue है अब this confirms that the gas is ammonia and यसले अर्को पनि कुरा के कन्फर्म गर्छ भने ammonia gas is basic in nature एसिड होइन यो बेसिक नेचर को रहेछ because it turns wet litmus paper into blue next test is we can easily recognize ammonia gas by its smell it has pungent smell, the smell like rotten egg. म तिमीलाई क्लासमा भनेको थिएँ rotten egg, पिएको अन्डा जस्तो यो यसको स्मेल हुन्छ. Next is when glass rod dipped in HCl, hydrochloric acid, is introduced in the jar containing ammonia gas, it produces a white fume of ammonium chloride. Okay, when ammonia reacts with hydrochloric acid, it forms ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride has the white fume. White fume means seto badal jasto kuiro jasto dhua niskins. This is of ammonium chloride. Then we confirm that the gas is ammonia gas. In this way we can test the ammonia gas. This one is. Next is another method of preparation, that is industrial method of preparation. We call that manufacture. Haber's process. Haber's process. Ammonia gas is manufactured by the combination of nitrogen and hydrogen in the ratio of 1:3, means 1 part of nitrogen and 3 part of hydrogen under special conditions of temperature, pressure, and catalyst. Ammonia gas is produced. Okay, this process is called Haber's process. Haber's process. Haber is the name of scientist. And Haber's process states that, okay, when the mixture of nitrogen and hydrogen in the ratio of 1:3 is heated at 500 degrees Celsius under 200 to 900 atmospheric pressure in the presence of iron as a catalyst and molybdenum as a promoter, the ammonia gas is produced. Okay, here are various conditions. One is temperature required. What is the temperature required? 500. You can answer immediately, okay, when asked. And what is the pressure required? 200 to 900 atmospheric pressure. Which catalyst is utilized in Haber's process? Iron. And which promoter is required? Molybdenum is the promoter. Promoter is the substance that enhances the function of catalyst, that helps in proper functioning of catalyst. Catalyst like ramroसँग function गर्न मद्दत गर्ने chemical substance, that is called promoter. त्यसलाई promoter भनिन्छ. In this case, molybdenum is used as promoter. And by fulfilling these conditions, we can prepare ammonia gas in the larger amount. This is called manufacture of ammonia gas. This reaction is very important. And 2 plus 3H2 under special condition. Special condition is 500 degrees Celsius, iron as a catalyst, molybdenum as a promoter, and pressure is 200 to 900 atmospheric pressure. Then reaction occurs and ammonia gas is produced. In this way, we can prepare or produce, or we can manufacture ammonia gas. This is also very important question for SE. Okay. अब आउँछ तपाईहरुलाई properties of ammonia. Ammonia का properties हरु के हुन्? Okay, एउटा physical property छ, अर्को chemical property छ. Physical property मा के पर्छ? Its color, odor, taste. कस्तो छ? It is colorless, having pungent smell. Next is solubility. कस्तो छ यसको solubility? It dissolves in water. When it dissolves in water, it forms ammonium hydroxide, a base. Next is what is the color change of that litmus paper with this substance? Means it turns wet red litmus paper into blue because of its basic nature. Next is what is its weight in relation to the air? Means it is lighter than air. How banda yo alungo huncha. Other is it solidifies at minus 78 degrees Celsius and liquefies at minus 33.4 degrees Celsius. So, and there is similarity in between that carbon dioxide and ammonia gas in its freezing point. That is freezes at minus 78 degrees Celsius, both carbon dioxide and ammonia. यो कुरा ध्यान दिनुस् है. अब आयो chemical properties. Chemical properties भनेको के हो त भन्दाखेरि त्यो chemical substance ले अरु कुन chemical substance सँग react गर्न सक्छ. त्यो कुरा हामीले chemical property मा हेर्छौं. One is ammonia reacts with water to form ammonium hydroxides. हामीले अघि पनि भनिसक्यौं. Other is this ammonium hydroxides when react with hydrochloric acid, it forms ammonium chloride and water. Other chemical property is reaction with acid. When ammonia reacts with acids, Okay, acids, it produces the white fume of ammonium salts. For example, ammonia plus hydrochloric acid ले ammonium chloride को white fume दिन्छ. Ammonia plus sulfuric acid, ammonium sulfate is produced. Ammonia plus nitric acid, ammonium nitrate is produced. Very important. Your question is what happens? What happens when ammonia is treated with hydrochloric acid? Ammonia is treated with nitric acid. What happens? Okay, write with chemical equation. This is the question. Other is reaction with carbon dioxide. This is the chemical property of carbon dioxide also. Your reaction तपाईले जान्नु भयो भने यो carbon dioxide लाई पनि काम लाग्छ र ammonia लाई पनि काम लाग्छ. When ammonia gas reacts with carbon dioxide gas under pressure at 1500 degrees Celsius, urea is produced. Urea is fertilizer containing nitrogen. Okay, the molecular formula of urea is NH2CO NH2. NH2CO NH2 is urea. For simplicity, we can say that NH2CO co NH2 co NH2. NH2 co NH2. This is urea. Is produced by heating the mixture of ammonia and carbon dioxide at 1500 degrees Celsius. This is the reaction. Next is reaction with oxygen. When ammonia reacts with oxygen, it produces water and nitrogen. Next is reaction with chlorine. When ammonia reacts with chlorine, it produces ammonium chloride and nitrogen. These are the chemical properties of ammonia gas. And last is the uses of ammonia. Okay, ammonia का युजहरु के हुन् यो चाहिँ हामीले निकै महत्त्वपूर्ण तरिकाले पढ्नुपर्छ है. First के छ? It is used to manufacture chemical fertilizer. I ask any one of you to answer the uses of ammonia gas. Okay, I can ask. Next is it is used to prepare nitric acid, alkali, dyes, so on. Okay, it is used to prepare other substances like synthetic fibers such as nylon, rayon, acrylic. These are synthetic fibers you studied in fiber. Okay, artificial fiber you studied. These fibers are produced by using ammonia gas. Other important, I think, many times asked question, that is ammonia gas is used to develop the blueprint of maps. Which gas is used to produce blueprint of map? This is many times asked question. Ammonia gas is used. Other is ammonia gas is used as the refrigerant in the refrigerator. Next is it is used in rubber, leather, and paper industries. It is used as cleansing agent to remove oil, grease. It is also used in dry cleaning. Okay, dry cleaning. In this way, we studied the uses of ammonia gas. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, or you can ask in chat box also.